Just having a website for your business isn't enough anymore. Even if you have the best website in the world, if no one wants to visit it, it becomes useless. You already know that more targeted visitors would equal more sales. But how do you get more visitors? The most effective way to get more targeted visitors to your website is to appear on the top of the search engines when people are searching for your business type. But how do you do that? Meet Tom Buckland. Tom's a seasoned search engine optimization consultant, selecting the most profitable keywords related to your business and then ranking your website in the search engines for these keywords. Imagine being first in Google for your keywords, having floods of visitors to your website, all looking for exactly what you are offering. Conversions would skyrocket. Your business would have a huge influx of new customers, and your sales would go through the roof. Don't let your competition steal your potential customers and revenue. Allow me to put you on the top of Google and get those customers to your business instead. Contact me below to request a proposal.